Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be reviewing all three of the Vitoline Racers. What is it, Vitoline? Still, let's start with the very first racer, James Cleanair. Now, Vitoline, a fuel additive vitamin company which provides fuel for older active cars. Sponsoring a race car seemed like a good way to get their message across to their customers, and they hired the right car for the job. Senior race car James Cleanair has been racing for 20 years and shows no signs of slowing down. Now his top speed 185 miles an hour, horsepower of 590. Yeah, it's alright actually. Yeah, considering he's old and boxy. And yeah, whatever. So let's have a look at him, shall we? So he's Husker Morocco, same model as Claude Scruggs, I believe. Please correct me if I'm wrong. It's got a nice two-tone green and white, with and well, he's number 61. Well, his contingency sponsors are the same as all the other Piston Cup races, so Nitrate, Revolting, Mood Springs, what was it, Octane Gain, or Vitoline, Lifestyle, Gasket, Gas Spring, Easy Idle, RPM, Multiple Pistons, Leakless, Retread, and Clutch Aid. As he's got, he's got black rims, black light year tyres, and thing I really don't like about his model in particular. Is like, look right in front of him. Can't see the wheel from this angle. Whereas a Nitrate model like Kevin Shift Right. This is racing tyre. The Kevin Racing Tyre. His axles are too long. And then, and there we go, we've got that white on the back, the Vitoline logo again, another Vitoline logo. God, they're really plastering their brand everywhere, aren't they? There we go, Vitoline, their slogans for older active cars. There goes kind of like a vitamin thingy, my bob. And they've actually on the only racers not had a moustache. Now let's move on to the middle one, the middle child, the one who's always forgotten, Yardley. Now Yardley has been able to beat Lightning McQueen on several occasions. He's a great racer, but first and foremost, he's a great friend. And if there's one thing he loves racing and more than racing in the Piston Cup, it's the friendships he's made during the course of his racing career. Now overall is not really how much change if you think about it, because it's still got the Vitoline logo, still got the two-tone green and white. Though Breck's green is a little lighter than James's. And obviously it's a completely different model, which should be pretty self-explanatory, and a different number as well. Yes, how can I forget? And if you're wondering why, I'll explain later. But let's have a look at him. So he's a different green, slightly lighter green from James. And the Vitoline logo's had a couple changes here and there, but otherwise pretty similar. Now, it's less contingency sponsors, so as well as all the cars for stock cars do, so Vitoline, Revolting, RPM, Nitrate, Octane Gain, Clutch Aid. And as you can see, there's a little yellow arrow, meant to signify that where the pitties to pick him up. It's on pit stop. And a green rims as well. And Vitoline logo, pretty similar to James. Number 24. And yeah, it's pretty similar to James, you know. Now let's move on to the last, but certainly not least one. Mr. Chase Racelott. Now, Chase Racelott. Let's see. Second generation piston cup racer, Chase Racelott knows what it takes to win. And racing long before he ever set a tyre on a professional speedway. Like his fellow rookies, Chase knows how to push forward towards the front by combining his skills, track smarts, and top-of-the-line technology. Now, the Chase, he is voiced by a real-life NASCAR driver, Chase Elliott. Yes, my mind went blank for a second then. Duh. Right. And, yeah, he's quite different from the other two, as you can tell. He's slimmer, much faster, much sleeker, even. But let's have a closer look. And look at that, he's got a nice two-tone hood. It's all this dark green and this grey. I think, and then look at that, the Vitoline Racers had a complete redesign. And look at that, green 24 this time. A white stripe across the top. Oh, now I've got 7 Asian Army in my head. And look, you've got a little green stripe and small stuff. And oh my god, that's actually different on the other side as well. Is that? Which is pretty cool and unique. I think Ryan inside Laney is the same as well, because we've got Ryan Blaney. And again, like brick, green rims. Oh, we've got white 24 this time. Got the yellow rookie stripes, meant to signify he's a rookie. And got another white stripe, which I think is very, very cool.